Alligator Alcatraz will likely close down within the next couple of days. I'm Collier County Community Correspondent Eric Lovelace, and I've been down here multiple times, and I have been covering this since the start. So I used my contacts to get my hands on these emails where the state says the number of immigrants being held here will be down to 0. But I wanted to know what was next for the facility. More legalese.
There are a number of different things going on all at the same time.
Last Thursday, a South Florida judge ordered that Alligator Alcatraz be shut down within 60 days. No surprise, though, to Governor DeSantis.
This is a judge that was not going to give us a fair shake.
An appeal was immediately filed, and according to DeSantis, wouldn't change anything moving forward. But shortly after, as you can see here, an email from Florida Division of Emergency Management's Kevin Guthrie saying the number of individuals in the facility will be down to 0 in the next couple days. When asked about this Wednesday, Governor DeSantis attributed the email to rapid deportation, not closure.
I think he was just referring to they're deporting him very quickly.
It's unclear whether or not DeSantis plans to continue his appeal. However, as for other cases against the facility, Pamela C., a legal expert I spoke to, says since it's shutting down, those cases become irrelevant.
You don't litigate, you don't spend money on a case that has no meaning.
She says, however, since this is labeled as a preliminary injunction, it's, well, preliminary, which means if they wanted to use this order for the Jacksonville deportation depot, they couldn't.
It means that there will not be an opinion on which they can rely later on.
If DeSantis wanted to, he could appeal all the way up to the Supreme Court. But C says, because of the apparent dismantling of the detention center, this appeal is pointless.
It makes the entire case moot. And a federal court is not going to deal with a moot case because it wastes the court's time and resources.
I reached out to FDEM asking why they were doing this despite a pending appeal, and I didn't receive a response. We're still waiting on confirmation if the facility is officially closing, and for exactly what's next, we won't know until the state makes its next move. In Collier County, Eric Lovelace, Fox 4.